this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy trade profitable traders, and you guys can do this on autopilot. Let's jump straight in. So today we're gonna show you a tool called AutoSnipe. AutoSnipe is an AI powered tool, and I'm gonna review this with you guys today. I've been hearing some big things about this tool, and on this video, let's together absolutely review it. All right, guys. So what I like about the interface here is a nice, clean interface, and you can also snipe and buy tokens, right? I really like it. Nice and clean. So that's, it's got a trending tab, which I really like. So this is going to show you all the trending tokens, guys. Remember, in meme coin trading, you need to find volume. You need to find out what's trending, what's got volume, and we scalp volume. So check out the first one, deep sea. Look at this volume that's coming in, guys. Look at every 5 minutes, you have 150,000 volume. So it automatically shows you what volume is coming in. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Also, this is what I like too, because you know me, guys, we trade on Pump.Fun, baby. So it shows you all the Pump.Fun launches, and this is where we can get in projects early. And look, we can auto buy, sick, auto buy, right? Here, and also we can go into the pairs, and okay, that one there hasn't shown. Let's go into the pair like this here, and we can start buying in straight away. 1 second volume, 15 second volume, 1 minute volume, 5 minute volume. Let's get it. All right, cool. So limit buy, these are really, really cool. So basically you can say when you want to buy when it hits certain market cap, and sell when it hits certain market cap. All right, sell and buy, market order and limit order. Very, very cool. Also, you got sniper tools. Now this is crazy. So it's an AI sniper at hyperspeed. This is going to be tokens that you can snipe fast using AI. Cool. So let's go. Let's keep going down. API trading. This looks really, really good as well. You know, that's got some cool stuff there with the API stuff. Now this, to me, is the secret sauce, is what you come for. How to copy trade and make money on autopilot. So first of all, we need to find a profitable wallet. All right, so first of all, guys, we want to find profitable wallets. So we're going to go over to Deck Screen now, and we're going to look on top gainers, right? So now we want to look at something that has the most volume for the day. All right, that's not a freaking rook. All right, cool. So we'll go down, we'll look at volume. Look at volume. That's liquidity. Let's look at volume. 97 mil on, okay, Shiv on Solana. Wow, interesting. Okay, that's 97 mil volume. That is a lot of volume. So we're gonna go in here and we're going to look at top traders. We're gonna find the best traders. Okay, look at this guy. He invested $5,000 and he made $500,000. Wow, this guy knows something that we don't know. So we want to click on and then see, where did he get in? He got in at the start, and then he sold the top. He knows something we don't know, guys. He got in the start and he got in the top. So now we want to copy trade him. So let's go into Soul Scanner and let's get his wallet. Boom, we got his wallet. Now we're gonna go back to our AI tool. So we're gonna copy trade this trader. So we put the wallet address in here. Now, this is how we set up the copy trading, guys. So we can either buy exactly for or buy in percentage of the trade. All right, I like to buy exactly for. So I'm gonna buy 1 Solana every time he trades, right? Now, what we need to do, so I'm gonna allocate 5 Solanas, and each buy, I'm gonna be buying 1 Solana per of his copy traders, right, guys? Remember, I have a big budget. This is my budget. I would advise you guys to do a lot less, but this is my budget. Okay, I wanted to do pump.fun because this is where we get the most gains, is on pump.fun. But like I said, you guys can test it out as well. Now you're gonna make sure, guys, that you set up your stop loss. Very important, because end of the day, guys, these traders might not have all successful trades. So I want to put my stop loss in at 20%. So if I'm losing, if I'm going down 20%, it will automatically sell, which is actually pretty genius, guys. Because if we 5x, we 5x our money, so we can either 5x, 10x, we'll obviously check his wallet to see his kind of strategies, or we will only lose 20%. So always have risk management, guys. Very important. Now, done your stop loss, now taking profit, guys. You can play with all this. Me personally, I just want one. So I basically want to sell all my bag. So I want to sell 100% when I don't be greedy, guy, with copy trading. So I want to sell my whole bag when I'm in 20% profit. But you guys can stagger this all you want and just take it in different segments. But for me, I just want to make this 20%, 20%, 20%, 20% throughout the day, through different copy traders, and making my money. And then we'll press active. All right, there you go, guys. That is how you can copy trade using AI on autopilot. So if you want access to this tool, the link is in my description.